Good morning! Kamusta na mga bata? Malapit na ang ating first quarterly test sa mathematics kaya tuturo natin o magre-review tayo tungkol dito. Comment nyo kung saang topic kayo nahihirapan para magawa natin ng mas maraming example at maituro natin ng mas maayos. Number 1. Student was asked by his mathematics teacher to explain the divisibility rules for 9. What can he tell? So, alin dito sa mga choices ang divisibility rules sa 9? So, ano ang inyong sagot mga bata? So, letter A. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all the digits is a multiple of 9. Number 2. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 4? Letter A. Kasi, yung huling dalawang digit niya ay 44. Yung nakaka-form siya ng number na divisible sa 4, yung last 2 digits niya. Kaya yun ang ating sagot. Number 3. Is 8,756 divisible by 11? Why? So, anong sagot nyo dito mga bata? So, letter D. Yes, the difference of alternating digits is 0. So, ang alternating digits natin dito ay 8 tsaka 5 tsaka 7 and 6. So, pag inad natin yon, 8 plus 5, 13, 7 plus 6, 13. Then, pag sinubtract natin, ay 0 yung ating difference. So, kaya siya ay divisible o yung number na ito ay divisible sa 11. Number 4, how will you know if a number is divisible by 12? Letter B, if it is divisible by 3 and 4. So, pagka daw divisible sa 3 tsaka sa 4, yun ay divisible sa 12. 5. Savi made 15 cupcake desserts. He arranged the desserts on platters with the same number of desserts on each platter. How many desserts could Savi have put on each platter? So, ang tanong lang dito ay kung saan divisible yung 15 cupcake. Kasi ayos daw ng same number sa isang platter. So, kailangan malaman natin saan divisible yung 15 dito sa mga choices na naan dito. A4, V8, C5, D2. So, what is your answer? So, the answer is 5 because 15 is divisible by 5. Number 6, the following numbers are divisible by 2 except. So, lahat daw ng number na nasa choices ay divisible sa 2 bukod sa. So, alin dito sa choices na ito ang hindi divisible sa 2? So, ang hindi divisible sa 2 ay letter D, 65, because it ends in 5. So, dapat kasi nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 para maging divisible sa 2. 7. Which of the following is divisible by 5? What is your answer? Letter A, 1065, because it ends in 5. So, ang mga number na divisible sa 5 ay nagtatapos sa 5 and 0. 8. Which of the following is divisible by 10? Letter B, 2360, because it ends in 0. So, lahat ng number na nagtatapos sa 0 ay divisible sa 10. 9. How will you know if a number is divisible by 6? Letter C, the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, pag ang number daw ay divisible sa 2 at 3, yun ay divisible sa 6. Number 10, A student wants to determine if the given number is divisible by 3. What can he do? Tinatanong lang dito yung divisibility rule sa 3. Letter B. Determine if the sum of all the digits is a multiple of 3. 11 to 13, solve for n. Choose the letter of correct answer. Number 11. 20 plus 4 times, open parenthesis, 18 minus 12, close parenthesis, is equal to n. So, what is your answer? So, ito yung tinatawag na PMDAS. So, the answer is 44. Siyempre, uunahin natin i-compute yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. It stands for, yung PI stands for parenthesis, yung letter P. 18 minus 12 ay 6. Then, isusunod natin yung 4 times 6, 24. Then, 20 plus 24 ay 44. Number 12, 28 minus 5 times 3 divided by 15. So, ang uunahin natin dito yung 5 times 3. 5 times 3, 15. Then, 15 divided by 15, 1. 28 minus 1 is 27. 13. 4 times 5 minus 12. So, una nating i-evaluate yung 4 times 5. Iso-solve. 4 times 5, 20. 20 minus 12 is 8. So, the answer is letter 8. Letter A, 8. Number 14. These are factors that are the same for 2 or more numbers. So, ang tawag doon ay common factors. 15. What is the greatest common factor or GCF of 12 and 3? So, the answer is 3. 16. This is also known as the ladder method, a process of solving for the GCF of a set of numbers. So, what is the other name of ladder method? So, ang isa pang tawag sa ladder method ay continuous division. Letter D. 17. Moira is preparing dinner plates. He has 12 pieces of chicken and 16 Shanghai rolls. If he wants to make all the plates identical without any food left over, what is the greatest number of plates Moira can prepare? So, ang tinatanong lang dito, what is as dito ay ano yung greatest number of plates Moira can prepare. So, kukunin lang natin yung GCF ng 12 at 16. So, ano ang GCF ng 12 at 16? So, the answer is letter A, 4. 18. Anthony's mom gave him 21 pesos while Jennifer's mom gave her 49 pesos. They want to give the same amount of money to a street kid. What is the greatest donation they can make? So, isosolve lang natin dito yung GCF ng 21 and 49. So, what is the GCF of 21 and 49? So, the answer is letter A, 7 pesos. 19. A salesman goes to Tejero every 5 days for 1 day and another salesman every 12 days. Also for 1 day. Today, both are in Tejero. After how many days both salesman will be again in Tejero on the same day? So, ang tinatanong lang dito ay yung LCM ng 5 at 12. Ano ang LCM ng 5 and 12? So the answer is 60 days. Letter C. Number 20. Mr. Ambat has 16 desks in his classroom. He wants to put the same number of desks in each row with no desk left over. How many rows could Mr. Ambat place in each row? So, ang tinatanong lang dito ay saan divisible yung 16 desk. So, what is your answer? Saan divisible ang 16 desk? So, the answer is letter B, 4. 21. Leia has 72 rose bushes to plant in rows. She wants to put the same number of bushes in each row with no bushes left over. How many rows of bushes could Leia make? So, saan divisible ang 72? So, the answer is letter C, 9. Number 22. In the order of operations acronym PEMDAS, the letter A stands for what word? So, ano daw ang ibig sabihin ng A sa PEMDAS? So, the answer is letter C, addition. 23. In the equation, open parenthesis, 8 plus 7, close parenthesis, times 5 plus 17 minus 3 is equal to n. Which will you solve first? So, alin daw yung unang dapat nating isolve? So, the answer is letter C. Yung nasa loob ng parenthesis na 8 plus 7. Kasi nga, kaya ngayon ni PEMDAS, inuuna natin yung letter P o parenthesis o grouping symbols. 24. In the equation, 54 divided by 6 plus 2 times, open parenthesis, 18 minus 3 times 4. Close parenthesis is equal to n. What is the value of n? So, isosolve natin ito. Ano ang sagot natin? So, the answer is 21. Siyempre, una nating isosolve itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. 18 minus 3 times 4. So, una yung 3 times 4, 12. 18 minus 12, 6. So, yung value ng nasa loob ng parenthesis ay 6. 54 divided by 6, 9. Then 2 times 6, 12. Then 9 plus 12 is 21. 25. What is the sum of 2/5 and 1/5? So, kung makikita natin, ang 2/5 at 1/5 ay similar fraction o magkaparehas yung denominator nila. Kaya ang i-add lang natin ay yung numerator na 2 at 1 at kokopyahin lang natin yung denominator. 2 plus 1, 3. Then copy the denominator, 5. So the answer is 3/5. Letter B. 26. What is 3/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8? So, similar fraction ulit. 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Then copy the denominator, 8. So the answer is 5/8. Letter A. 27. What is the operation to be used to below problem? John walked 1/6 of a mile yesterday and 2/6 of a mile today. How many miles has John walked? So the answer is addition. 28. Mrs. Perez bought 1/2 kilogram of chicken and 3/4 kilogram of beef. How many kilograms of meat did she buy? So yung 1/2 at 3/4 ay dissimilar fraction. Change natin sa similar fraction. So pag change natin sa similar fraction yung 1/2, 2/4. Siyempre yung 3/4, 3/4 pa rin. So pag similar fraction na, i-add lang natin yung numerator, kokopyahin yung denominator. 2 plus 3, 5. Then copy the denominator, 4. Ang 5/4 ay improper fraction. Change to mixed number. The answer is 1 and 1/4. So letter C. 29, which is true in addition, subtraction of similar fractions. So letter D, all of the above. Lahat ng nasa choices ay true. Number 30, Olivia set aside 5/6 of an hour for homework after school each day. How many hours of homework does she do in 5 days? So, i-multiply natin yung 5/6 sa 5. So, yung 5, lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Multiply the numerator by the numerator and denominator by denominator. 5 times 5, 25. 6 times 1, 6. 25 over 6. O 25/6 ay improper fraction. I-change natin sa mixed number. 4 and 1/6. So, the answer is letter C, 4 and 1/6 hours. 31, what is the reciprocal of 25 over 51? So, pag kinuha natin reciprocal ng isang fraction, ipi-flip lang natin yung denominator sa numerator at numerator sa denominator. Pagbabalik rin lang natin. So, the answer is 51 23rd o 51 over 23. Number 32, which of the following is true? So, alin daw dito sa mga choices ang true? So, the answer is letter A. Kasi, pag multiply natin yung fraction sa kanyang reciprocal, ang sagot doon ay 1. Laging 1 ang sagot. 33. 2/4 divided by 2/3 is equal to 2/4 times 3 halves is equal to n. What is the value of n? So, 2/4 times 3 halves. Dito pwede tayo mag-cancel yung dalawang 2. Ang GCF nun ay 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. So, 1 times 3, 3. 4 times 1, 4. So, the answer is 3/4. Letter C. 34. Michael drinks 3/4 liters of milk per day. How long will Michael be able to finish drinking 6 liters of milk? So, yung 6, i-divide lang natin sa 3/4. Yung 6, lalagyan natin ng 1 as denominator, then divided by 3/4. Kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng 3/4, which is 4/3, tsaka tayo magmumultiply. So, 6/1 times 4/3. Kakancel natin yung 6 tsaka 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So, sa halip na 3, 1 yung gagamitin natin pang multiply. 6 divided by 3, 2. So, sa halip na 6, 2 yung imumultiply natin sa 4. 2 times 4, 8. 1 times 1, 1. 8, 1 or 8 over 1 is equal to 8. So, the answer is letter D, 8 days. What will you get if you multiply? Itong model na ito ay 2/3 at ito ay 1/2. So, 2/3 times 1/2. So, pwede natin cancel yung dalawang 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So, sa halip na 2, 1 yung gagamitin natin pang multiply. 2 divided by 2, 1. Sa halip na 2, 1. Ang pang multiply natin. 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 1, 3. So, the answer is 1/3. Letter B. 36. What is the product of 4 times 3/5? So, yung 4 lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. So, lahat ng whole number, ang denominator noon ay 1. Pag change natin sa fraction. Times 3/5. 4 times 3, 12. 1 times 5, 5. So, ang 12 over 5 o 12 pip ay improper fraction. Pag kinins natin sa mixed number, the answer is 2 and 2 pip. Letter C. 37. What is the product of 2/3 and 6/9? So, 2/3 times 6/9. Makakancel natin yung 6 tsaka 3 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So, sa halip na 3, 1 yung ipamumultiply natin sa 9. 6 divided by 3, 2. So, sa halip na 6, 2 yung imumultiply natin sa 2. 2 times 2, 4. 1 times 9, 9. So, the answer is 4, 9. Letter B. 38, 3/4 times 2/4. Pwede natin i-cancel yung 2 tsaka 4 divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So, ipang-multiply natin ay 1 sa halip na 2 sa 3. 4 divided by 2, 2. So, sa halip na 4, 2 yung imumultiply natin sa 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 1, 3. So, the answer is 3, 8. 39. Last year, Kiel weighed 50 kilograms. This year, he gained 1/8 more. How many kilograms did Kiel increase in weight? So, ang timbang daw ni Kiel ay 50 kilograms. Ngayon, ngayong taong ito, he gained 1/8 more. Ibig sabihin, 1/8 of 50 ang ibinigat niya. 1/8 of 50 kasi yung 50 yung dati niyang timbang. So, how many kilograms did Kiel increase in weight? So, imumultiply lang natin yung 50 sa 1/8. So, yung 50, lagyan natin ng denominator na 1 times 1/8. We can cancel 8 and 50 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. So, sa halip na 8, 4 ang imumultiply sa 1. 50 divided by 2, 25. So, sa halip na 50, 25 yung imumultiply natin sa 1. So, gumamit tayo ng cancellation. 25 times 1, 25. 1 times 4, 4. 25 fourth. So, ang 25 fourth ay improper fraction. I-change natin sa mixed number. The answer is 6 and 1/4. So, the answer is letter C. 40. Patrick decided to run every day to keep himself healthy. He ended up running 3/5 of a kilometer every day. How much did he run in a week? So, ang una nating kailangang malaman, ilan ang araw sa isang linggo. So, ilang araw ba meron sa isang linggo? 7. Kasi sa isang araw daw, tumatakbo siya ng 3/5 kilometer. Kaya yung 3/5, imumultiply natin sa 7 kasi merong 7 araw in a week. So, 3/5 times 7. Yung 7, lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. Kasi nga lahat ng whole number, ang denominator noon ay 1 pag kinins natin sa fraction. 3 times 7, 21. 5 times 1, 5. So, ang 21/5 ay improper fraction. Didivide natin yung 21 sa 5 para makuha yung answer na 4 and 1/5. So, yung 24/5 at 4 and 1/5 ay isa. So, the answer is letter C, 4 and 1/5. Thank you! Don't forget to like and subscribe. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga gagawin kong math tutorial. Mag-aral na mabuti, study hard, hanggang dito na lamang at God bless po. Salamat!